In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Monday.com. We'll start on the Monday.com homepage. From here, head into your workspaces so you can get to the right place. Choose the workspace where your project lives. If you manage multiple teams or clients, make sure you're opening the workspace that contains the board you actually want to track time on. Once you've selected it, open the board where your tasks or items are listed. If your board doesn't yet have a way to log time, let's add it. Look for the plus icon at the top of your columns and add a new column. In the search box that appears, type time tracking. When you see the time tracking option, select it to add the dedicated timer column to your board. This column will store all the time entries for each item, and totals will roll up automatically for you. Now you're ready to track in real time. Find the row or item you're about to work on and press the play button in the time tracking column. That starts a live timer for that specific item. You can keep working and let the timer run in the background. When you stop working, you can pause the timer the same way. This is great for capturing time as you go and keeping your log accurate without extra effort. If you need to add time after the fact, maybe you forgot to start the timer, open the item by clicking on its row. Inside the item, choose Add Session manually. You'll see fields to define the exact period you worked. Set the start at time to when the work began and the end at time to when it finished. Double check the date and time so the duration reflects reality, especially if you're working across time zones or logging time from earlier in the week. When everything looks correct, click Add Session. That manual entry is saved to the item and will appear alongside any live time sessions, keeping your totals complete. From here, you can repeat the same process for any other item on the board. Start the live timer when you begin, pause when you stop, and add manual sessions for anything you need to backfill. With the time tracking column in place, you'll have a clear, consistent record of where your time goes, which makes reporting, billing, and planning much easier. Thanks for watching, and follow these steps whenever you need accurate time logs right inside Monday.com.